Hi, my name is Peter Lugg. I'm the partner in charge of corporate finance for Monahans, and I'm going to talk today about grooming your business for sale. I'm often asked whether a business has some sort of magical formula for valuing, but I'm afraid that's not the case. We don't multiply profits by this or turnover by that. Each business is unique, and the valuer has to look at the unique components of each business in order to be able to think about what the business may be worth. However, we do have to look at the components of value within a business in order to be able to groom it, because we need to understand where the value lies and also where there may be risk. So the components of a business value are fairly obvious in some respects, things like profitability, the ability of the business to generate cash flow, for example. But also areas where it may not be quite so obvious, for example, a niche expertise in a particular sector. It may be that the location of the business gives it particular value, or it may be that there may be some intellectual property which the business owns which gives it a head start above its competitors. And then of course there are matters like cash surpluses or debt and property that the business may own. When you're grooming a business for sale, you have to try and look at it from the perspective of a potential purchaser. So you need to identify where there may be value, but also where there may be risk. And risk factors might be a dependency upon a small customer base, that perhaps one or a small group of customers provide a lot of the turnover. It may be that there are risks to do with the sector in which the business operates and so forth. And so we look at those risks, we look at the components of the value, and of course we then work on them. At Monahans, we've developed a specific program for grooming a business for sale. And this program recognises that small businesses have limited resources and that they need support in going through that process. And so we start off with an audit of where the value of the business lies and where risk may be, and then we help you to prioritise particular actions in order to improve the value of the business. And once we've identified a plan, of course, we have to implement it. And that's where Monahans can really be of help in helping with this implementation. So if you're thinking about selling your business and you want to maximise what you get for it, please give us a call. My contact details are on the website, and I'm very happy to meet with you with no commitment.